how to change the speed in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the speed of your video in YT Create application. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application and you can see I have opened up one of the project. So now if I wanted to change the speed of that video, if I wanted the slow motion of the video, or if I want the fast motion of the video, so all I have to do is to search for the speed option. So if I tap right here on this video, so I can scroll down the list and you can find this speed option. So just tap right here on the speed, and now you can see that you can create your video in the slow mo, or you can create your video in the fast mode. So all you have to do is you will have to drag this white circle. If you want to increase the speed of the video, you will have to drag it to the right. If you want to decrease the speed of the video, you will have to drag it to the left. So this is how you can easily change the speed of your video. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.